lovely students again. Today we are going to be talking about the Outsiders project or mini project that you'll be doing during tutorial time for the next few days. I will be collecting this and putting it in for a grade in the academic section, so please make sure you are following the directions. This actual page, Varying Perspectives for the Outsiders, this will be your direction page. And you will use this to make sure that you're doing exactly as you're supposed to do. So make sure you're reading over the directions, making sure you're choosing one character, and then following these steps in order. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to use the website that you're going to be creating a picture book to create this assignment that I'm going to assign to you. So what you're going to do after you watch this tutorial video and then type up your rough draft and follow these directions here, for step 3, you're going to then go to this website called storybird.com. So I already have it pulled up. And actually, let me go back so that you can see what it looks like. What it looks like when you first get to the website. So storybird.com is where you're going. And when you get here, you're going to click on sign up for free. Okay? Now, obviously, you're not a teacher and we're not going to sign in as a regular user. So no. But you are students, lovely little students of mine. And so you're going to click on the student sign up. So all you have to do then is sign in with your Google account. And I'm going to use my personal account to show you how to sign in as a student because I have also signed in as myself. So when you're signed in and you create a username for yourself, an appropriate username, it will take you to this screen here. So this is where you will add in the class code. So for each class, there is a class code that you will add, and you'll put that class code here. So whether or not you're 8A, 8B, or 8C, I will give each one of your classes a class code, and you'll enter that here. That way, our accounts are linked, and if you forget your password for any reason or anything happens, I'm able to have access to your work and get you what you need. So making sure you join the class using the class code. After you do that, we're going to say, for now, I don't have a class code, just so you can see how to maneuver through the website. So you are going to then click Create so that you can create your own picture book. Now, we're not going to focus on a long form story or poetry for now. We might come back later and do this for another assignment. For the sake of this assignment, you will click on picture book. And so once you click on that, it will give you like different themes, or it should. Next. This is just an example of what it would look like. Okay, so this is an example of a picture book that was created. But once you click create, it'll give you different themes that you can choose from. So these themes are going to then give you a bunch of different pictures that you can use. So remember that you are going to be doing this for our book, The Outsiders. So try to pick a theme that would fit with what you think the outsiders may look like or what your storybook may look like. We are limited because it's free, so just pick the best choice that you think works best for you. So I'm going to pick this one for now. So this will be my theme. So I'm picking this. I'm going to click Use This Art Picture Book. And then it gives me these different pictures off to the side. And then this is the page that I'm working on here, right? So let's say for my cover page that I don't want this picture. I might want one of the other arts that they give me. So I might want to use, I don't know, this one as my front cover. So I put that in. I type what I want to put for my front cover. be giving it the outsiders from Dally's perspective, or Dally's dream, or Derry's sorrow, something creative, right? You type that in, and then this would be your front cover page, right? And then you would move, or actually this is your first page. This would be your cover page. And so you'll see down here, this is where it gives you your different page options. So this is my first page. Now let's say I'm done typing, like I've typed in my story here, I put the correct picture I want here, I'm ready to move on to my next page. I would click add, and then it gives me a whole new fresh page. Let's say that for this page, I want my text to be down here at the bottom, okay? Or let's say that I want to include this picture. It would then put the picture here. And let's say I just want the whole page to be a picture. No, I changed my mind. I don't. I'm going to click and drag the picture off to the side of the page that I want it to go. And I want my text on this side. Like, actually, no, I don't like that. So I'm actually going to click the picture and click it on this side. And my text will come here. So you can maneuver it a few ways, not too many, as to how you want the text to be on each page and where you want the picture to be. And play with it that way. Notice that my pictures from my theme that I chose are limited. There are some themes that have more pictures than others, so just keep that in mind before you start creating your picture book and decide, I don't like the pictures in this theme, I want to change it. So you will use this picture, the storyboard, to create your picture book. Making sure that you have these requirements done, and notice how it says must be at least 10 pages, to create your picture book using Storybird.com, having fun with it, playing around with it, and making sure that you have everything you're supposed to have for this assignment. If you have questions, you can let me know. Other than that, happy creating!